A Russian Sukhoi-27 fighter jet collided with an American military drone over the Black Sea on Tuesday and resulted in U.S. forces to bring down the drone in international waters. The White House called the Russian plane's intercept of the unmanned aircraft a reckless activity. U.S. Air Force General James Hecker said in a statement, "Our MQ-9 aircraft was conducting routine operations in international airspace when it was intercepted and hit by a Russian aircraft, resulting in a crash and complete loss of the MQ-9. In fact, this unsafe and unprofessional act by the Russians nearly caused both aircraft to crash," Hecker said. The Russian jets initially flew in front of the American drone several times and dumped fuel on it. Eventually, one of the Russian planes clipped the propeller of the drone, causing it to crash. At the Pentagon, General Pat Ryder said the Russian jet was likely damaged in the incident, but it did land afterward. Ryder, a Pentagon spokesman, wouldn't say where the jet landed. General Ryder wouldn't say whether the drone was armed, referred to the unmanned aircraft as the MQ-9. The U.S. uses MQ-9 Reapers for both surveillance and strikes and has operated the drones in a variety of locations, including in the Middle East and Africa. Other countries, including Britain and France, also fly Reapers. The Russian Defense Ministry issued a statement with a starkly different take on the incident. According to the ministry, Russia radar noticed a lethal MQ-9 apparatus heading toward the Russian border around 9:30 a.m. local time. The ministry then launched Russian fighter jets with the goal of identifying the device that, it claimed, was flying with its transponders off, in violation of Russian notifications issued amid the war in Ukraine. The collision between a Russian fighter jet and an American drone over the Black Sea on Tuesday has escalated tension between the two countries. While the U.S. military called the Russian aircraft's intercept of the unmanned drone reckless, the Russian Defense Ministry claimed that the drone was flying with its transponders off in violation of Russian notifications issued amid the war in Ukraine.